Hmm? Chris, didn't see you there. Hey, you didn't see anything just now, did you? You can't even say. Chris? Hey. Let me tell you a secret. Quiet people piss me off. You think just 'cause you don't say anything, I can't tell exactly what you're thinking? It's over, I caught Susie eating all the chalk. This was her last chance, now she'll finally be expelled. Come on, Chris, don't act shocked, you know it's true. Everyone's waiting for it, everyone wants it. So, congrats, Chris. You got me. I'm done for. Just let me say one little thing. It seems like a waste to get expelled just for having a snack. So, Chris, if I know you're gonna pull the trigger, why don't I just get expelled for some real carnage? Chris, how do you feel about losing your face? Nah. Chris, you've got a good mother. It'd be a shame to make her bury her child. Alright, let's get this over with. We'll get more chalk, mosey back to class, and then, Chris, you'll do our project. How's that sound? Don't bother answering. If you haven't gotten it by now, your choices don't matter. Let's go, freak.